Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how we can grow some bell peppers or capsicum indoors. So let's get started. For that I have taken some potting mix in a shallow pot. It's a 5-inch pot, that's a rectangular one that I can put easily on my windowsill. So I have taken the regular potting mix, store-bought, and I have filled the pot with it, and now I'm trying to make some grooves in that so that I can put the seeds in. The bell peppers that I'll be using are from my fridge. They have been half used, half left out. They've been lying in my fridge for like a week, and I'm just taking the seeds out from them. It is pretty easy to take the seeds out, so I'm just putting the seeds in the grooves, just like that. I had all three varieties or colors of bell peppers that I used. They all will grow out to be the same, but right now I'm just using their seeds because that's what I have been left off with. So I'm just using my red, yellow and green bell pepper seeds, and right now you can see I have put a lot of seeds in there. I'll just see which one of them grows, and then I will thin them out if all of them grows or it's a dense cluster. So I have covered the seeds very lightly, and I'll also put some potting mix on top, just like half an inch or so, just to cover the seeds properly. And then once I have put all the soil, I'll add water to it very lightly with a shower so that the seeds don't get displaced from their place, and I'll water it generously but with a lighter shower. And then I'm gonna put this container or pot on a west facing window. That's where I have the spot left. So after 10 days you can see that they have germinated, and I'm really happy to see that most of the seeds have germinated pretty nicely and they look healthy as of now. I'll let them be as they are. I'm not gonna thin them out right now because they're very delicate, so I'm gonna leave them now just like that and see a bit later. So after a month you can see how beautiful they look. They all have grown up to be real beautiful and healthy plants, and this is a real tough time for me to take decision on which one of them is not a good plant that I can weed out, but I couldn't decide that day. So this is day 40 and they have grown bigger and they all look healthy, but I will have to thin them out because there's not much space left in the container. So today I'm gonna thin them out by using a spatula. I'll just have to pick random plants because I can't see any unhealthy plant out here, so I'm just picking random plants to thin out, so that the rest of the plants have real good space to grow their roots and be healthy. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'll see how it progresses. I'll put it back on the same windowsill, which is a west facing windowsill. It gets around 4 to 5 hours of sun daily, and I will share the updates in my next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.